If your Spectrum cable box is stuck on the Spectrum logo screen, you're experiencing a boot loop. This typically means the box's software isn't starting correctly. The first thing to try is a simple power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the back of the cable box, not the wall, for a full 60 seconds. This allows the box to completely reset. Then, plug it back in and wait for it to restart. While waiting, also check all cable connections to the box, ensuring they're securely attached. Make sure your HDMI cable is in good condition too. Try swapping it out with a different one. If the box still doesn't boot after power cycling and checking connections, proceed to the next step. If power cycling didn't work, try a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of the Spectrum box. It's usually a small pinhole. Use a paperclip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for 15 seconds. This will erase the box's settings and reinstall the firmware. Note that you might need to re-enter your account information afterward. If the boot loop persists after the reset, the problem could be a hardware fault, such as a failing power supply or corrupted flash memory. In these cases, contact Spectrum support and explain the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Also, try using Spectrum's app, which integrates AI-assisted self-diagnosis tools to scan for issues wirelessly. Keep your box ventilated to prevent future issues, and consider using a surge protector to protect against power fluctuations.